As the future Trump administration takes shape tonight, there are some concerns here in Maine among the LGBT community. Some say they fear their rights could change. Bonnie Bishop joins us here tonight. And Bonnie, what are you hearing?
Well, John, the Trevor Project, the leading suicide prevention and crisis intervention organization for LGBTQ+ young people, saw an overall volume increase of nearly 700% on November 6th, compared to the weeks prior. So I reached out to experts who work to support that community.
People were scared, people were worried and concerned, and so there were nearly 100 people here on the day after election just to feel safe.
Gia Drew of Equality Maine says she's been working to reassure members of the LGBTQ+ community.
But I also don't want to be unrealistic either, because there is a real fear about what a president can or can't do and what that federal impact can be on people's lives.
Trump says Republicans will end left-wing gender insanity, citing examples like banning taxpayer funding for sex change surgeries and stripping taxpayer-funded schools from promoting gender transition. But legal experts say Maine passed a non-discrimination law back in 2005, including sexual orientation, gender identity, and gender expression.
That's been bedrock in Maine for a long time now. Doesn't mean it's always followed in practice, but that's true of all anti-discrimination laws.
Maine legalized same-sex marriage back in 2012, nearly 3 years before it was legalized nationwide. Mary Bonato of GLAAD Law worked on that case.
Absent a constitutional amendment that bans marriage nationwide, states can still approve of marriages of same-sex couples.
Still, there are concerns for non-traditional families. Evie Woodland, head of Bernstein Schure's family formation practice, says to consider updating documents like your state ID, driver's license, and birth certificate.
As Mainers, we have protections under state law for making those gender marker and/or name changes.
Woodland also suggests updating federally issued IDs, like your passport or social security card.
Currently, changes to those types of documents can be made without medical documentation or a court order. However, these documents are governed by federal law, so they could be impacted by the new administration.
They also recommend getting an adoption decree even if you have a birth certificate, which may not be recognized in other states.
You want to make sure that you have that adoption decree so that both parents can be in the room making medical decisions.
Now, it's important to note, while Trump has mentioned these changes he wants to make, we've only heard him outline immediate actions like mass deportations and improving government efficiency so far. For Maine's Total Coverage, I'm Bonnie Bishop.